Could I do a time lapse of the whole thing?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Hi,
This is Dr. Nicole.
Hi. Hello, hey Aaron. How's it going?
Good. How
Good
you?
to see you, Dad.
Close this.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Doing good? Doing good. Y'all been taking good care, Ali? So yeah, this is great. This is great. Who wants to go first?
I'm thinking them two first.
Okay. Alrighty, we can do that.
Yeah, that works. He's gonna go last.
Go ahead. Okay. Alright, sounds good. Okay. Dad last. Okay. You off today, Aaron? Or
No, I got one.
you got a, okay. Alrighty. Okay. We'll get you in and out for sure.
Yeah.
Any issues with her?
No, no
okay.
issues.
No issues. Okay. Good. Alright. Look hips out here.
I think we did last time she was here. We did talk about digestion.
Okay.
I feel like she is still having. I've noticed that her digestion
Still some issues
a
there.
little bit.
Okay. And I see you doing a lot of like natural stuff, Taylor, cooking recipes and stuff. So that's good. Keep that up. Yeah. You see the eggs from the garden. I said, go ahead. I love it.
Thank you.
Seems like you enjoy doing that too.
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
I can tell. You put a lot of love into that. So,
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
I'm waiting for the recipe book. So yeah.
Right. I have one
Go ahead and drop
out,
it.
but
Okay.
I'm writing. I'm always writing some new stuff.
Still doing those myself. So
Yeah.
It's just amazing how your body changes.
I know.
And of course for you with each pregnancy. So
Yes.
yeah, it changes. Yeah. It'll help. Yeah, definitely. You gonna lay down for me, Shay? Go hug the table.
Back then.
Back then. Okay. So yeah, for him I know it was that right side. Yeah. And how's he been doing digestive wise? Any congestion for him? Anything?
No.
Nothing? Everything's good?
Yeah, he's good.
Eliminating good? Good.
Yeah.
Okay. How's Ali doing? Okay. Alright, yeah, we work on that today. Yeah, look at you. You got it. You got it. My honorary chiropractor. You got it. His little feet. Alright, got this here. Oh, doing good. The little head is up. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Good job. Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
He said finally.
Yes.
Finally.
Okay, so just in this left pelvis here.
Okay.
Good. There's a blowout.
Because we
Some
got
decompression. There you go. All right, Mama.
Okay.
Yes, you welcome, Taylor. Okay, twist down. Turn away, sleep.
Okay,
Okay.
that's daddy's. That's daddy's.
Try and sleep on that back. On the back. Put a pillow underneath. Did we get the back or you need that? You get the back first. You did. Okay. Beware. Yes, you do.
What?
Hey guys, it is afternoon time, and I just realized while I was baking, I'll show y'all what I'm baking here in a minute, but I just realized while I was baking that I didn't come on here and tell my thoughts about the chiropractor and the clip that you just saw. But I wanted to talk about it a little bit for those who don't, go to the chiropractor, never really heard of it, don't understand the benefits of it. I was that person before this last pregnancy. This is while I was pregnant is when I got introduced to chiropractic, and I started it because my doula and midwife suggested it for the prenatal time. It helps to align your pelvis and your body and everything to deliver vaginally, and I did indeed deliver vaginally. Yeah, so it just helps to while your ligaments and muscles and organs and bone structure is moving around and stuff while you're pregnant, chiropractic keeps it in alignment and just keeps everything, on the straight and narrows for an easier delivery. But there are other benefits to chiropractic that I started researching, and they do newborn adjustments. So as you saw, Ali and my other two kids got adjusted. They do heavily suggest that you get newborns adjusted because, just imagine being in a cramped up space for 9-10 months. you know, you want to get that all ironed out. So it really helps. It helps with colic. So as y'all know, Ali had colic because now he's kind of starting to go away. But yeah, we definitely wanted to get him aligned, because what happens is, and this happens with all of us, if you've never gotten adjusted, then you could have been misaligned since birth, really. And now your muscles have formed against the misalignment, or formed with the misalignment, which causes all kind of things. It causes health problems. It causes mental health problems. Your spine and your alignment deal with, well, your spine particularly deal with your nerves. So one of the ways, or one of the reasons why I'm so like pro chiropractic, I feel like that's the only doctor you need. I feel like that's all you need to maintain health. Now if you have emergencies and things like that, that's a different conversation. But if you're trying to maintain your health, chiropractic is great. It just heals so many aspects of yourself. Particularly, aside from pregnancy, I deal with anxiety. I'm noticing that when I get in alignment now, it creates such a reset of my nerves and my nervous system, which deals with how you respond to stimuli. Particularly as a mother. You know, when there's lots of crying going on and you getting pulled all kind of which ways, you touched out, you all kind of stuff. Like, it's like if you already deal with you know, things like anxiety, stress, all the other things that come with that, chiropractic resets your nerves to where you are a more mentally healthy person. Your nerve is not pinched in a certain way, causing a certain glitch. You know, that's how I be tweaking it. Like, oh, after a session, I be like, oh, I'm back. And the same for my kids. Like, behavior issues. I know particularly our chiropractor is working with my son on some misalignment in his leg that happened in utero, that affects how you walk. Like, all this, and you truly underestimate how, when you talk about holistic health, holistic, to further break that down, is the whole thing. That means every aspect about you contributes to your physical health. Everything that you deal with, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically, all deals with health. It's all related. You cannot be healthy in one, or you cannot be unhealthy in one aspect and healthy in another. Like, it's holistic health. When you are balanced and centered and aligned, in alignment with the divine, in alignment with yourself, in alignment with nature. The term align, when you are aligned, you are healthy. Okay, so yeah, chiropractic is something that since I started going during pregnancy, I decided our whole family goes. It's a non-negotiable. It's a non-negotiable, and I noticed grave differences in myself, in my baby. Like I said, he pretty much no longer has colic. He probably got, I'm gonna go on and say that he don't have colic no more. He laying on the couch sleep right now. That would not happen before. That was not happening before. I had to hold him in my carrier, and y'all know every video I've been doing, I've been having a Trinity. What you see, girl? I've been having him in my carrier, and I don't today. I'm in here baking and enjoying my life. And he's in there asleep. So yeah, I swear by it. And our chiropractor is Dr. Nicole. She is absolutely amazing. I love everything about her. It's a private experience, as y'all saw, because a lot of people don't go to the chiropractor. So you don't necessarily want to be in there with a lot of people. You may want to have a lot of questions, and you know, you're just getting kind of cracked all different kind of ways, you know. It's like you want to deal with that in private. Some people want to deal with that in private. So she provides that. It's just, she's so personable, knowledgeable. She is my doctor. Okay, my midwife, the way that she put it to me, as a woman, as a mother, you are the first caretaker of your family. You are the first doctor of your family, and of myself. I am the first doctor. After that, the chiropractor. Okay. And like I said, when you have extreme situations or emergencies, that's another conversation. But when you're talking about just building the foundations of your health and maintaining it, you have to learn your own body and what works for you, and the chiropractor. Yeah, so I just wanted to give a little spiel about that. Okay, yeah, I need to put my buns in the oven. I'm making hamburger buns. Let me show y'all what they look like before I put them in. They've been resting. And I'm about to put them in the oven.